Hey everyone, welcome back to Savitri's Kitchen. Today we are making a very special and festive dessert for Navratri, Malpua. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the cardamom powder and fennel powder using a mortar and pestle. For batter preparation, in a large bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of suji, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Next, gradually add 2 cups of milk while whisking. You want a smooth lump-free batter with pouring consistency. Let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. While the batter is resting, let's make the sugar syrup. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Heat it on medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar dissolves, add a few saffron strands. And few cardamom pods. Let the syrup simmer for 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. Turn off the heat and keep the syrup warm. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Take a small ladle of batter and pour it into the hot oil, spreading it slightly. Fry on medium heat until the edges turn golden brown and center is cooked thorough. Flip the malpuas gently and cook the other side until it's golden and crispy. Remove and drain on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Now, while the malpua is still warm, dip it into the sugar syrup and let it soak for a minute. The malpua will absorb the syrup and become soft and juicy. Serve the malpuas into a serving plate. And there you have it, our soft, juicy Navratri special Malpua. Try this delicious recipe at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Sunday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.